Welcome to Benji Travel Guide. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Italian culture. Join me as we explore which countries have the most Italians. From bustling cities to picturesque landscapes, let's uncover the diverse Italian communities around the globe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join our adventure. Let's go! Number 13. South Africa. South Africa has a historical Italian presence, with Italian immigrants settling in cities such as Johannesburg and Cape Town. Italian influences can be found in South African cuisine and culture, especially in gastronomy and architecture. Number 12. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom has a significant Italian community, especially in cities like London, Manchester, and Glasgow. Italian immigrants came to the UK from the 19th century onwards, particularly during economic migration periods. Italian influences are present in British cuisine and culture, particularly in the culinary scene and architecture. Number 11. Belgium. Belgium is home to Italian communities spread across the country, with concentrations in cities like Brussels, Antwerp, and Liège. Italian immigrants have contributed to various aspects of Belgian society, including gastronomy, trade, and art. Number 10. Germany. Germany has a large Italian community, especially in cities like Berlin, Munich, and Frankfurt. Italian immigrants arrived in Germany after World War II, mainly for work. Italian influences can be found in German cuisine and culture, particularly in the culinary scene. Number 9. France. France has a significant Italian community, especially in cities like Paris, Lyon, and Marseille. Italian immigrants arrived in various waves in France, particularly in the 19th and 20th centuries. Italian influences are evident in French cuisine, fashion, and architecture. Number 8. Switzerland. In the Italian-speaking region of Ticino, there is a significant Italian population. Italian immigrants have also spread to other parts of Switzerland. Italian influences can be found in Swiss cuisine and culture, especially in Ticino. Number 7. Uruguay. Large Italian community, especially in Montevideo and other urban areas. Italian immigrants played a significant role in Uruguay's development. Italian culture is well represented in Uruguay, particularly in cuisine and architecture. Number 6. Venezuela. Venezuela's significant Italian community, with concentrations in cities like Caracas and Maracaibo. Italian immigrants mainly arrived in Venezuela in the 20th century. Italian influences on Venezuelan cuisine and culture, particularly in gastronomy and trade. Number 5. Australia. Significant Italian community, especially in cities like Melbourne, Sydney, and Adelaide. Italian immigrants began arriving in Australia in the late 19th century. Italian influences on Australian cuisine and culture, with popular dishes like gelato and espresso. Number 4. Canada. Large Italian-Canadian community with concentrations in cities like Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver. Italian immigrants came mainly after World War II to Canada. Italian culture and traditions are prominent in Canada, especially in the culinary scene. Number 3. Brazil. Significant Italian population, especially in the southern states of Rio Grande do Sul, Santa Catarina, and Paraná. Italian immigrants arrived in Brazil during the 19th and 20th centuries, mainly to work in agriculture. Italian influence on Brazilian cuisine and culture, including dishes like pizza and pasta. Number 2. Argentina. One of the largest Italian communities outside Italy. Italian immigrants settled in Argentina in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Italian culture and traditions are strong in Argentina, especially in Buenos Aires and other major cities. Number 1. United States. Large Italian-American community, especially in cities like New York, Chicago, and Philadelphia. Italian immigrants began arriving in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Italian influence on American culture, including food, music, and film. And that's a wrap for our video on Top 13 which countries have the most Italians. Thank you for watching Benji Travel Guide. We hope to see you again soon for more adventures. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. See you next time.